Welcome to our comprehensive guide on Python for artificial intelligence. In this video, we'll take you through the fundamental concepts of Python programming language and its applications in the exciting field of artificial intelligence. Python has emerged as one of the most popular programming languages, known for its simplicity and versatility. Today, it's widely used in various domains, including artificial intelligence, data science, and machine learning. Let's start with the basics. Python provides a clean and readable syntax, making it perfect for beginners. Here's a simple, hello, world, program in Python. With just one line of code, you can display a message on the screen. Now, let's dive deeper into Python's core concepts. Variables and data types are fundamental building blocks in Python. Variables are used to store data, and Python supports various data types such as integers, floats, strings, booleans, and more. Here's how you can declare and use variables in Python. Python also supports basic arithmetic operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Let's see some examples. Now that you're familiar with variables and operations, let's explore control flow. Control flow structures like if statements and loops help in decision-making and repetition. With if statements, you can execute code conditionally based on certain conditions. Here's an example. Python also provides powerful looping constructs like for loops and while loops for iteration. Let's see them in action. Now that you've mastered the basics of Python, let's explore its applications in artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is revolutionizing various industries, from healthcare to finance. Python serves as the primary language for AI development due to its rich ecosystem of libraries and frameworks. In AI, you'll often encounter tasks like machine learning, deep learning, natural language processing, and reinforcement learning. Python libraries such as NumPy, Pandas, TensorFlow, and PyTorch provide powerful tools for implementing these algorithms. Let's take a closer look at some AI applications in Python. Machine learning, using scikit-learn for building and training machine learning models. Deep learning, implementing neural networks with TensorFlow or PyTorch for tasks like image recognition and natural language understanding. Natural language processing, NLP analyzing and processing text data with libraries like NLTK or Spacy. Reinforcement learning, implementing reinforcement learning algorithms to teach computers how to make decisions in dynamic environments. As you can see, Python is the language of choice for artificial intelligence enthusiasts and professionals alike. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced developer, mastering Python will open doors to endless possibilities in AI. We hope this comprehensive guide has provided you with valuable insights into Python for artificial intelligence. Stay curious, keep coding, and embark on your journey to AI mastery with Python.